Welcome to these tutorials on how to use modify tools in Autocad. Erase tool. Click erase, select object, and enter. All. You select, right click, erase. All. Select, then you use keyboard to delete. Copy. Click copy, select object, then enter. Then pick this, copy, 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 then enter. Offset. A mirror. This is my mirror line. Click mirror, select object, then enter, then mirror along this, then enter. You can mirror object without a distance, enter, then first point, second point, then enter. You can also mirror object along this axis, first point, second point, then do you want to erase the source? Yes, you can erase that way. Offset. Specify offset distance. Let's assume 1. Then offset something like that. I can also offset a line. Offset with 2. Enter. Offset inside. Array. Let's start with this one. Long press. Get rectangle array. Select object and enter. This one you use by count. Then you enter number of columns 5 and 6. Then you enter to finish the command. That is rectangular command. Then we have path array. And this is the object. This is the path curve. Long press, get path array, select object, then enter. You select a path curve, this one. Then you enter by items. Then distance in between from this object to this, that is the distance. Let's reduce by 2.1. Then you enter the expression. Maximum is 26. Let's use 20. Then enter. Then you finish. That is path array. Polar array. This is my polar. This is my object. This is also my object. Then I can press polar array, select object, then enter. Specify center point of array, this one. Then by items, then expression is 30. Then you enter. If also, for example, I have an object here, I want to do array, polar, select object, enter, specify center, then items, then expression 30. That's how it will happen. And these available types of arrays. This rectangular, path array, polar array. Move. click move, select object, enter, then you click it, then you move it, rotate. Soon we have this object, want to rotate, select object, then enter. You can rotate it at whatever angle you want, 45, then enter. Scale. Scale, select object, enter, then you scale it from center. Assume it's a scale factor of 5, 1.5, then enter. I can also scale it down by 0.5. Stretch. Stretch, you select the object, direct, then you use this one, grips, call them grips. Then that means the original was something like this. You only moved this and this. Trim. Trim, then enter, then you select this, trim, trim. Now, because these lines are detached, it's not possible to trim these lines, but the only way you can modify the lines is by deleting. Then we have extend, click, extend, then enter, then click the line where you want it to extend. Break at a point, then break. First point, we are only interested with the last point. So we assume we want to break at a point at the center. So we can start anywhere, but not at the center. So I can click this, then I split it at the center. Yes, click. So this line will be 2 lines, whereby one can be blue, red, the other one can be white. Then we have break. First point up at when you are doing break, each and every point is very important. So we assume we want to break within this, then I click this and I can enter a distance, maybe 900, something like that, or maybe this, I break it at 200, see, something like that. So we have join. So once we do breaks, we need maybe something like this or something like this. We can join first, second, then enter. Join first, second, enter. So that is joining. Chamfer. When you are doing chamfer, you need to identify, you need to know the maximum. For example, we have 14 and 10, so we cannot go beyond that. Then we do chamfer by distance. Chamfer distance can be 5, 6 and 5. Then first point, first line, then second line. That is chamfer. Then we can do fillet. We also do fillet the same. Fillet by radius. Fillet radius can be 10, then enter. First and second. Then that's how we do fillet. Then we have bent curves. Bent curves, we have a line, you have another line. I want to do a smooth curve. Then I click bent curves, first line and second line. If you want it to be more smooth, you can move the line away. Then I do bent curve, first and second. The more you go far from this line, the more you'll get smooth curve. For example, I use this one and this. See, it's also another way of doing a reverse curve. Then we have this tool, call it explode. Previous we said if you have this object, it is under region command. So if I go to my explode, I want to explode it to lines, then click object, then enter. Now this becomes line. Now I want to region, click region, select object, then enter. Now this one is region command explode, select object, then enter. It is under region and under explode command. Now with this tool, this is one of the most important tools in AutoCAD. You need to understand it in a deeper way, because actually if you don't master the modify tools, you may get problems when doing modification in different drawings. Thank you and welcome.